Welcome, welcome. It's another installment of Alley 26's ongoing series on cocktails and making cocktails, at home. So one of the things about bartenders is that we're just like everyone else in the fact that we like all the new stuff, the gearheads that love all the new tech that's coming out. Bartenders like all the new products that are coming out, and folks at Angostura came out with these cocoa bitters, and they're just on the market, and they're tasty, and so of course we want to play with them. We're making our tonic, but we just made this brand new blueberry syrup we've never done before, and it's really, really tasty. We've just bottled that. And the fine folks at Botanist Barrel came out with this Truth and Red. It's a sour cherry wine, but it's hard to explain exactly what it is. So I'll just read what it says. It's 7.5% alcohol, so it's a little easier going. It's funky, like Brett funky. It's funky. And it says Botanist Barrel crafts a variety of farmhouse ciders, sours, and dry fruit wines. This is where it gets confusing. Using techniques from winemaking, brewing, and mixology, we are constantly blurring the lines. This is evidence. This product is evidence that they are constantly blurring the lines. I like it. If you don't like weird, odd, kind of sour flavors, maybe this isn't your bag, but it's strange enough to be kind of cool to play with. And it is sour, so we can use it with our syrups in the same way we might normally use a different acid. We might normally use, say, citrus to balance, like lime juice to balance the sweetness in the tonic. So we're going to play with this. I'm really excited about it. Put 3 quick dashes of these Angostura Cocoa Bitters. I'm going to do a half an ounce of our Alley 26 tonic. There we go. And we're going to do also a half ounce of blueberry. So remember, this is like a full ounce of different syrups, but the tonic has some bittering agents in it. We've chalked up some bitter here, and this is a sour. So it's gonna bring some of the balancing acidity to the syrups. Shake it all day. You're just kind of making that happen. Often when there's very little fluid in the shaker, I'll use whatever I'm going to mix with and add it right on top. Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun. So it reminds me of, it's kind of like the bastard stepchild of both a cocktail and one of those Basque sours where the funkiness kind of comes through. The wild yeast, it's really, really delicious. Enjoy.